Looking to transform your child's room into a fun, functional, and stylish space? You're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 50 kids' bedroom interior design ideas, packed with creativity, color, and comfort. Whether you're designing for a toddler, a teen, or somewhere in between, we've got ideas that will spark your imagination and inspire your next makeover. Let's start with color, the foundation of any great kid's room. From soft pastels to bold, vibrant hues, here are some stunning themes. 1. Soft pink and white princess room. 2. Blue and yellow superhero room. 3. Jungle green and brown adventure theme. 4. Pastel rainbow nursery. 5. Black, white, and red racing car room. 6. Next up, themed rooms. These can bring your child's dreams to life. 6. Outer space galaxy room. 7. Underwater ocean theme. 8. Princess castle bed. 9. Dinosaur-themed walls and bedding. 10. Pirate ship bunk bed. 'Now let's talk furniture, functional and fun. 11. Loft beds with desks underneath. 12. Bunk beds with storage drawers. 13. Fold-out study desks. 14. Modular shelving units. 15. Storage ottomans with hidden compartments. 'Walls aren't just for paint. Get creative. 16. Chalkboard wall. 17. Magnetic wall paint. 18. Wallpaper with maps or constellations. 19. Pegboard art wall. 20. Personalized name decals. Every kid needs a cozy corner, a little escape just for them. 21. Teepee reading nook. (22) Hanging hammock chair. 23. Beanbag chill zone. 24. Window seat with cushions. 25. Soft canopy corner. 'Don't forget playtime. Create zones that inspire creativity and movement. 26. Indoor climbing wall. 27. Mini play kitchen. 28. Lego building station. 29. Arts and crafts table. 30. Toy storage with labeled bins. 'Designing for older kids? It's all about self-expression and tech-friendly spaces. 31. Gaming desk setup. 32. Minimalist study nook. 33. Mood lighting with LED strips. 34. Wall-mounted monitors. 35. Stylish storage for gadgets. 'Last but not least, make it theirs. 36. DIY artwork on display. 37. Family photos. 38. Hand-painted murals. 39. Memory boards. 40. Growth charts. 'Need even more inspiration? Here are 10 bonus ideas to level up your design game. 41. Ceiling with glow-in-the-dark stars. 42. Slide attached to bunk bed. 43. Convertible crib to bed furniture. 44. Wall shelves shaped like animals. 45. Themed rugs and curtains. 46. Star projectors. 47. DIY name signs. 48. Corkboard for pinning schoolwork. 49. Underbed storage drawers. 50. Closet organization hacks. 'A kid's bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. It's their sanctuary, playroom, and imagination station. Which of these 50 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.